Oh my god, it's about a fucking downpour. Oh, gravel. Gotta make it the fuck home real quick. Ooh, a little bit bumpy. Oh, I felt the raindrops. Fuck. Fuck, 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 fuck. Come on, motherfucker. You might be protected, but I'm not. Let's go, let's go, let's go. I gotta make it out of the danger zone. I'm not trying to get soaked or fuck, my GoPro's gonna get fucked up. So I have the side cover off for the fucking microphone. Oh man, fat raindrops. Oh yeah, my phone. Oh man. Oh. No, doggy. So you're gonna fucking turn or? Rain buddies! Sorry neighbors, gotta get home. Wasn't that bad. It would have buffed out. Really? It's gonna stop raining when I get home. It's still raining a little bit. Yeah, whatever. Whatever, it was fun for the nice little ride I had, the whole 5 miles.